Alright guys, so I just closed out day 2, like literally like 10 minutes ago. You'll see in the video it's daylight, and yeah. Yeah, just closed out day 2. It's day 3 now. So stoked for today. Kublai Khan's gonna kill it, Belmont, so many other band stories so far. I am super stoked. I gotta put my seatbelt on, man, it's telling me. But I am super stoked for the day and to bring you guys with me. I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit more today, like of myself. I've been mainly just doing the music and stuff and food. But yeah, super stoked for the day and super excited to bring you guys with me. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild. Today is stacked from bottom to top. I mean, you can't ask for a better festival day, honestly. But I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit, man. Focus on driving. by far been the most stacked day, dude. I've had to miss out on Kublai Khan to see Spirit Box. I'm having to choose a lot more today than I was the first 2 days, and it sucks. It really does. That's part of the festival. It's what festivals are, you know. You can't see everybody. But yeah, man, I'm having a blast right now. I really am. I've messed up. I haven't really filmed the food that I've gotten today. I've ate a big burrito and I had some ice cream this morning, but I forgot to film it, to be honest with you. I've been doing terrible at my job. But yeah, man, we're about halfway through day 3 of Furnace Fest. Still a stacked rest of the day. Just got done watching the Red Court. They were amazing, dude. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm just super excited for the future of this festival, man. I know it's only been around for 2 years. I mean, I know it was around 20 years ago, but since, you know, it's returned, it's only been around for 2 years. But I just see it, you know, becoming bigger and bigger every year, honestly. I know next year they already confirmed it's only going to be 2 days, but I don't mind that really, you know. 2 days is fine for me, and, you know, I think you could fit in plenty of bands in 2 days. So, yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys real quick. It's about halfway through the day. At this point, you've seen all the bands that I've seen. They have been incredible. And Spirit Box, I saw them for the first time. They were incredible. But yeah, man, sometimes you just gotta skip out on some of your favorite bands, like I did Kublai Khan, to see new bands like Spirit Box, and that's just how it is. So yeah, hope you guys have been enjoying the content though, and yeah, get back with you guys in a little bit, man. Hope y'all enjoy the music. Just a random house on the property. It's really weird. There's a couple of them. There's one right there. I know I showed you guys a little bit around day 1, but there's some more by the festival. Hey, what? All the food vendors are, or most of them. There's a little corn spot. The rest of the food trucks right there. Pretty crowded out here, guys.
I look at myself in the mirror.
Alright, let's go. guys. Can't really find that many places with decent light. I'm really sweaty, don't mind me. But yeah, Mastodon's the only thing we got left, dude. I mean, Furnace Fest 2022 is over, guys. It has been probably some of the best days of my life this past weekend. I've met a bunch of amazing people. I've made a lot of great friends that I'll be friends with for the rest of my life. And you know, we all bonded over the same thing, great music, where everybody can be themselves, you know, act out, do what they want to, and still be accepted. It doesn't matter what religion, what race, anything like that, dude. Everybody was accepted this weekend. Everybody had a great time. I didn't run into one person that was having a bad time this weekend. And I'm truly grateful. I'm truly grateful to be able to come to this festival this year. Try not to get emotional, but it's crazy, man. It's just crazy that an event like this can do something like that to you and make you feel this type of way. I will definitely be coming back next year. I hope you guys have enjoyed all the clips that I've put, all the music clips. I know there hasn't been as much like actual vlogging, but I'm still, you know, learning how to do this, and you know, I figured you guys probably cared more about the music than you cared about me talking to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed all that. I know it's a little bit all over the place. After I edit these will be coming out next week sometime. Whenever I have time to edit all of them, I'll be doing 3 different videos: day 1, day 2, and day 3. So expect those starting to come out the middle of next week. I'm gonna take a break right when I get home and probably use Monday to rest and relax since I've had a long weekend, and then I will go from there and start editing the videos on Tuesday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, man, and let's go see Mastodon. This is behind the scenes, taking apart the stage. What a wonderful night, man. Really, what a wonderful night. Mastodon's playing over there, just walked over from their set. This is the behind the scenes of the Kill Your Whole stage. So, yeah, pretty gnarly, dude. Pretty gnarly. Pretty awesome. This is the part of Furnace Fest not a lot of people get to see, man. Behind the scenes. Only VIP people, really. It's just a different, you know, different vantage point, I guess you could say. Nothing too special about it. But yeah, that's the back of the stage. Plug your whole stage anyways. But I'm gonna get over and finish watching the Mastodon stuff. I just wanted to show you this real quick before I got out of here. And here's a quick little video of them shutting down the stage over here from the side point of view. Look at this craziness here. Yeah, it's a lot weirder whenever there's barely anybody out here. Mastodon's still playing. They got about 10 minutes left in their set. So there ain't nobody really out here besides a handful of people. Pretty wild, man. It's crazy to think that Furnace Fest 2022 is over. It's still pretty cool that I can hear Mastodon throughout pretty much most of the property. So that's been freaking awesome. But yeah, pretty crazy, guys. This is what it looks like with barely anybody in here. This is just one half of the festival grounds, by the way. Not even a half, like maybe a quarter. So yeah. Here's the other side of the pond where the Big Brother stage is. They are shutting it down right now. Pretty wild, man. It really is wild to think about how amazing these past 3 days was. This place right here has so much history behind it. I mean, history from what it was before, but so much history just alone from Furnace Fest, man. And I truly hope Furnace Fest never switches location, which I doubt it does. I mean, it's at Lost Furnaces. That's why it's called Furnace Fest, but you know, you never know. Oh yeah, pretty crazy, guys. Alright guys, I wanted to wait until I got out of Furnace Fest to end the video, just so I can be a little more quiet. But amazing weekend. All the bands were incredible that I saw. Tons of great merch. Just great weekend in general, man. I know I've said it over and over again, but it's because literally it's like one of the best weekends I've ever had in my life. The people were amazing. The staff that worked there were amazing. The bands, every time I ran into them and talked to them, they were amazing. You just can't ask for a better festival experience, and I'll definitely be going back next year. So that's already for sure. But yeah, man, I'm super tired. I'm starting to drive home. I'm like almost 3 hours away from home. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on that and get home so I can go to sleep. Then I gotta go back to work tomorrow. So video probably gonna be coming out. First video ain't probably gonna be coming out until either Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. I apologize about that, guys, but I need to rest and recover. You know, I've been going at it for 3 days straight, and yeah, I haven't really had any time to like rest. So I appreciate you guys tuning into my my videos, I should say. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it all. Man. Next show I believe I'm going to is Seven Dust on the 30th, and then A Day to Remember, The Used, Movements, and Magnolia Park on the 1st. So those are the next shows I'm going to. Super stoked for both of those, and those will also be videos. So I look rough right now, I'm sorry, I don't care. Had to close out this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the past 3 days. Tons of music, tons of great bands, tons of great people, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Take it easy.